Hello everybody, it's Ebola Boy here. Gonna take you on a tour to an old building behind on my property. This is just an old truck that we got going here for hauling gravel. It actually does work still, regardless of its age and how it looks. But, I digress. I'm gonna go back here, show you guys this old house and how nature has reclaimed it. This is just like an old shack. This isn't quite the house. It's just got some old crap back here. You can see it was made out of logs. And, I don't know if anybody ever lived in this building. But this is the old family house here. Vines growing up it. I'll take you guys inside. It's very overgrown here. I think I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna get these little puff balls all stuck to my clothes. Here we are. This is the basement. They would store their vegetables, food. There's like a chute there that they could pass the stuff in through the outside. A little shelf going on. Old radio. And there's a skunk that lives back here, so hopefully I won't come out and I get sprayed. Lots of old crap here. Old fucking books, magazines. This is the back door. Imagine at one time it was probably pretty nice here. Chairs, some school desk. Chairs from like the 70s or something. I'll go around and see the other part now. Hole there. Maybe something fucking lives under here. I really want to find out. There's like a bed back there. This part completely collapsed. As you can see, there's vines growing all out here. Nature's completely reclaiming this. There's this nice little area here where they could sit and have a little cooker, I guess. A little bedroom in the back, and it's a shame. I've been told that this was very nice at one point. The roof is still good in this building though, this part. It used to have 2 floors and there were stairs here, but my grandpa recycled the wood and cut them all out and use them for something else. You can see this place is completely made of logs. Look at that, just came right apart. Completely made of logs, mud they did by hand, packed it with clay. Yeah. See this hole there? Had a rope and a bucket trying to clean out some of the shit in there a little bit. Yeah. That's one of the old buildings on this farm. Let's see. Time has took its toll on it. And thank you for tuning in.